Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use SplitWise app. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your SplitWise app and then be sure to be logged into your account. Now once you are logged into your account, SplitWise app lets you split your expenses among selected person from your contact. So the first thing that you need to check to see if you have or the contact that you want to split your expenses with is present in your contacts as well. Then what you need to do is select the contact, and once you have selected the contact, what you need to do is tap on the plus icon on the bottom of the screen. And once you do that, here you'll see an add an expense option or transfer to add an expense option. Now here what you need to do is select the person that you want to split your expenses with. Now once you have selected it, all you gotta do now is just follow the on-screen instructions, like enter a description and then below it entering the amount that you want to split. And once you do that, all you gotta do is just simply click on save. And once you do that, that's basically how to use SplitWise. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.